Life is never a straight path. It's never simple. Some days, everything seems aligned with your dreams, and other days, it feels like every step forward is met with a wall. Every person has a story. Every person has a struggle. Every person fights silent battles that the world cannot see. The moments when you feel like giving up, the moments when doubt surrounds you like darkness, those are the moments that define who you are. We look at other people's lives and see only the highlights. Social media shows perfection. It shows success. It shows smiles. But what we don't see are the sleepless nights, the tears, the failures, the times they wanted to quit but didn't. True success, real success, is messy. It's slow. It's uncomfortable, and it's often invisible until one day the world suddenly notices. Have you ever felt stuck? Have you ever wondered why, despite all the effort, nothing seems to change? That feeling is universal. It has visited every human being on this planet. But here's the difference. Some people let it stop them. Some people let it break them. Others, they use it. They turn that feeling into fuel. They turn doubt into determination. They turn fear into action. Fear. It is the most natural, most human emotion. We are afraid of failure. We are afraid of what others will think. We are afraid that we are not. And yet, every person who has achieved greatness has felt that fear. The only difference between them and everyone else is that they faced it. They embraced it. They walked forward despite it. And that is the secret. Fear is not the enemy. Fear is the compass pointing you toward growth. Life is not fair. Sometimes, no matter how hard you try, things do not go your way. Plans fail. Dreams seem distant. Rejections happen. Doors close. Opportunities disappear. And it's in these moments that most people give up. They stop believing. They settle for what is safe or comfortable. But the reality is this. Struggle is not punishment. Struggle is preparation. It is the process that builds resilience, character, and strength. Every challenge, every obstacle, every setback is training. Every failure is feedback. Every no is a step closer to the right, yes. Imagine the seed. It is buried deep underground. It cannot see the sun. It cannot feel the warmth. To the naked eye, it appears lifeless. But beneath the surface, it is growing slowly, patiently, persistently. And when the time comes, it bursts through the soil, reaching the light, becoming something magnificent. That seed is you. Every struggle, every hardship, every moment of doubt is part of your growth underground. Everything changes when you change your mindset. Your mind is the battlefield where every victory begins. If you believe you are weak, you will act weak. If you believe you cannot, you will never even try. But when you believe in your potential, when you trust yourself, the impossible begins to feel possible. Success is not about talent alone. It is about consistency. It is about showing up every day, even when you dante feel like Italiano. It is about doing the small things right every single day. It is about building habits that compound over time, one step at a time, one action at a time, one decision at a time. Consistency is boring. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is permanent. Motivation will push you for a few hours, a few days, maybe even a week. But discipline will carry you through the storms when motivation is gone. Discipline is what separates those who dream from those who achieve. Fear will try to stop you. Self-doubt will whisper in your ear. You're not ready. You're not good enough. Maybe you should wait for the right time. The truth is, there is no perfect time. There is no perfect moment. There is only now. The people who achieve greatness do not wait for permission. They do not wait for clarity. They do not wait for confidence. They take action despite fear. They move forward even when the path is uncertain. They fail, and then they try again. They fall, and then they get back up. And every single time, they grow stronger. Remember, failure is not your enemy. Fear is not your enemy. Doubt is not your enemy. They are signals. They are reminders. They are part of the process. Ignore them, and you remain stuck. Face them, and you become unstoppable. Every hero's journey has a turning point. That moment when everything changes. That moment when they decide that excuses no longer serve them. That moment when they say, enough is enough. I will not give up. I will take one more step. Change never comes overnight. It starts with a decision. One decision to try. One decision to act. One decision to believe. And once that decision is made, the universe begins to align itself with your effort. Doors you never expected open. Opportunities appear. People come into your life who support you. And slowly, imperceptibly at first, your world begins to shift. It is never too late. Your past does not define you. Your failures do not define you. What defines you is this moment, right now, and the choices you make from here onward. Growth is not a straight line. Progress is not always visible. Sometimes it is measured in tiny, almost invisible steps. Sometimes it is measured in the way you respond to challenges. Sometimes it is measured in the persistence you show when nobody is watching. Every day, you get a little better. Every day you learn something new. Every day you refuse to give up, that is growth. That is progress. And over time, those small steps compound into something extraordinary. The journey is more important than the destination. The process teaches you lessons that success alone never could. You learn patience. You learn resilience. You learn humility. You learn the value of effort. And eventually, you become the person capable of achieving what once seemed impossible. Success is not money. Success is not fame. Success is not external validation. Real success is peace of mind. Real success is the confidence that comes from knowing you did your best. Real success is the joy of seeing yourself grow, the satisfaction of progress, and the courage to keep moving forward, no matter what. It is easy to compare yourself to others. It is easy to feel like you are behind. But comparison is the thief of joy. Your journey is yours alone. Your story is unique. Your pace is perfect for you. Focus on your path, your progress, your growth. That is where real success lies. Sometimes the greatest victories are invisible. Sometimes the biggest achievements are internal. The ability to persevere. The ability to get back up. The ability to keep going when everything inside tells you to stop. These are the true marks of a champion. When you work toward your dreams, you do more than change your life. You inspire everyone around you. Your effort becomes contagious. Your courage motivates others. Your persistence lights a spark in someone else who thought they could not continue. Remember this. The world does not remember those who only think. The world remembers those who act. Those who try, those who risk failure for the chance to grow, for the chance to achieve. Today is all you truly have. Yesterday is gone. Tomorrow is uncertain. But today is a gift. Today is your opportunity to take one step, one action, one decision closer to the life you want. You are stronger than you know. You are more capable than you believe. And your story is not finished. The challenges you face are not walls. They are stepping stones. The fear you feel is not a stop sign. It is a signal to move forward. One day, you will look back and realize that every struggle, every setback, every moment of doubt was shaping you, preparing you, transforming you into someone stronger, wiser, and unstoppable. This is your journey. This is your moment. Your time is now. The question is not whether you can do it. The question is, when will you begin?